is another long vowel sound, O, as we know. Okay, so O, O. So O and E together in words makes the O sound. O, O, O. Okay, let's go into our next couple words with this O two-letter sound. Okay, so we have toe, t, O, toe, t, O, toe. 3 letters making 2 sounds. T, O, toe. My big toe is hurting. Maybe I banged it on something. Toe, t, O, toe. Okay, next one is goes, goes, g, o, s, goes, g, o, s, goes, g, o, s, goes. She goes to school. Could be a sentence. G, o, s, goes. Okay, so that is 4 letters, 3 sounds. G, o, s, 1, 2, 3, 3 sounds. And a slightly bigger word with the O sound, which is tomatoes. T-o-m-a-t-os. Tomatoes. T-o-m-a-t-os. Tomatoes. T-o-m-a-t-os. Tomatoes. I have some tomatoes in my salad. Okay, t-o-m-a-t-os, tomatoes. Okay, you could even split this word up into different parts. If you find it difficult to say, you could say t-o-m-a-t-o-s, tomatoes. Okay, so how many letters does tomatoes have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. How many sounds? T-o-m-a-t-os. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sounds. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Say it with me at home, like always, to practice your pronunciation. O, O, toe, t-o, toe. Goes, g-os, goes. And tomatoes, t-o-m-a-t-os, tomatoes. More than one tomato there if it's got a s on the end. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.